Hello everybody, and welcome to a different kind of video today. So today, I'm going to talk about tips to make YouTube videos. We're going to talk about how you can make them, and how you can also make your channel grow faster. And that way, we're going to also talk about how you can make your channel have more views and how they'll be able to discover it. And ways that people would want to subscribe to you. So the first thing we're going to talk about here is video. So what video is it that you're making? No matter what video you're making, you want to make sure, first thing you want to make sure is, you want to also make sure you have a correct title for a video. Now, let's say I was gonna talk or release balloons. Now, what I would be saying is releasing balloons. The next good thing is the next thing you should do when making a video is add a description to your video when you click on the subscription box where you can type in a description. Now, that way, people will be encouraged to watch your video. They might think, that's a good video. Another good thing you could do, I mean, you don't have to do it, but it might make your channel be discovered, is add tags. So, whatever you're doing, you could add tags, so that way you could really get some more views. Like, you want to add more tags? If you want to add more tags, you could, add tags and stuff like that. Now, that way, I mean, they say you don't have to do it, but you can, and it's better to do it if you want more views and stuff. Now, this is for people who are new to making YouTube videos. Now, like I said, I've been on YouTube for a year and 9 days. Exactly. A year and 9 days. Okay. A year and 9 days. And currently I have about 29 subscribers and such. Even though it's not all that good because I disable comments on videos, most of them. I forgot to disable on some of them, which I still need to work on. But also, you want to look at the category of what your video should be. You want to select a category that is best appropriate for your video. Like, for example, let's say you're having fun, you're playing with an animal, like your dog, like I was doing. And you select a different category like gaming or comedy. Well, it can be comedy too. But you could select pets and animals, as that's pretty much the good category for that kind of thing. Now, if you're playing a video game, it's good to select the gaming category as your gaming. And if you're doing something entertaining, you could use the entertainment category. And if you're a sense of humor, that's why you have the comedy. And there's always the people on blogs section, which a lot of people like to use for most videos I find on YouTube. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good for doing that. All you do is... Also, for title, you want to make sure that you set a good title. Like, another example of this is, let's say you were swimming in a pool, in a place. You could say swimming it wherever you're at, except don't put the address anywhere. And you could keep it at that. Like, let's say, or you could just say, say if you were swimming in a pool, you could just say swimming in the swimming pool or something like that. And, just something good. Really. So, it's just something cool to think about. another good way to grow your channel is to talk and comment on other people's YouTube videos. Even though commenting really doesn't do anything, they just help you find out how good of a job that person did. But it can also probably have more subscribers to you, because you might actually, if you do that, someone might actually be interested in see what stuff you do, and if they are interested, they might just subscribe to you. They might just subscribe to you if they like your content a lot. If they like it, then they'll just subscribe to you, and they will get a kick out of it. So they will enjoy what you make.
Speed 5 minutes. 5
And they'll say you're a good person. And tags can also help you be discovered. Tags, what you do with tags is have keywords in commas. So let's say you put a comma. So let's say you're typing football. Like if you're doing a football video, you can type football and then a comma, space, because you're sorting those tags with commas. Like each comma is a new tag, so you want to put commas after each thing. So add commas after each tag, so that way it'll not have long tags or anything. And it'll add a new tag. So it's just a better way. And what I normally do is try to add a lot of tags, because the more tags, then you could probably get discovered by a keyword. Like, sometimes on my talk show, if I talk about technology, I might use a technology tag. I might tag it technology, which is some of my talk of, and different things. So yeah, these are just good things about, how you can grow your channel and also audience, and how to make the videos look just as good. And you also want to make sure you have good editing tools to edit your videos too. I mean, like, it's not a requirement, but you could make it look good and add some background songs to it, like I do. As long as you don't get copyright strikes and that's okay if you don't. If you get one, then you best be careful the next time what you use. So, but yeah. So, that's pretty much the good thing, the things that is pretty useful to, grow a channel a lot. And like I said, commenting on videos would be good for users, as they might be able to see your channel and they might look at it. I wish I would still be able to do that, except for, who. That's why you haven't seen a lot of comments in videos. So, hopefully you'll take this as an advantage of how you can make your channel grow, and tips to making videos and everything else. And it's probably a good thing that you can do that, it'll be really good for you. And also, you want to make sure you're doing...
Focus unlocked.
You also want to make sure you're doing something that people are interested in. There's a lot of things that people are interested in. Oh yes, there are. So you want to make sure you're doing that. And if you can enable the comments on videos, if you can, make sure you do that. Obviously, you know how parents are, so I can't, but the best thing you can do is enable comments, because then you just get notified, and you will be notified what someone said, and they'll tell you how good or bad you did. Now, if my parents didn't have a problem with comments, or they would probably read what they would say, I would probably best have them all enabled on all videos, as that's a even better way of growing a channel, really. And there is a PDF that I found on the YouTube Creator Academy page. It's called Discovery On, and the PDF teaches you how you can be discovered on your channel. I'll provide the link in the description, and you can download the PDF on your phone or wherever you use to download PDFs, and you can download it. And you can download it. It'll tell you a lot about how you can grow a channel and everything else. So I hope new users would find that useful. Well, that's all I'm gonna do for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later. And thanks for watching and subscribing.